Hello, Miss Eva. Today for the homework, I'm introducing my mom. My mom is probably the most loved family member in here. Her favorite hobby is to go shopping for our daily needs and our food. Her full name is Dewi Natalia Devina. She originates from the city Cilacap. My grandma also lives there, but my cousins lives at Prakorto. She goes to school at
kindergarten at Pius Cilacap, elementary school at Bruderan Purwokerto, middle school at Bruderan Purwokerto, high school at Yosudarso Cilacap, and college at Unika University Semarang.
She got a degree for
Tax faculty.
yes. So her favorite food is bakso.
My sign is Capricorn.
Her zodiac sign is Capricorn, and her favorite child
Is all of them.
okay. My little brother. His full name is Lazarus Liam Wibowo, and my older brother's name is Nicholas Arianto Wibowo. Her favorite child is all of us.
She loves us.
She loves us very much, and we are a big family, and we are supposed to support each other when times get hard. Goodbye, Miss Eva. That's for the homework.